I've marked the button strip with masking tape, leading it all the way up to the shirt collar. This button strip is more or less a little bit of low relief carving. So what we need to do is line it in first. So with a V-tool, we just come on the outside of the masking tape and run a line a couple of millimeters deep. And the direction you want to go in is so that the clean side of the cut is to the subject, so to the strip. So we run that along here as accurate as we can. Then, as with other relief carvings, we just take the wood down around it, again going with the grain in this case, but you can do across the grain like so. And then if you want a sharp edge here, you need to use a chisel and set in that edge very carefully and neatly and finish up with the flat gouge, cleaning up. So make sure that merges in. The tricky bit is on the other side where you have to work from here, because this fold is coming in the way. This side you have to come this way because of the direction of the grain. So you'll find a bent V-tool like this very helpful for coming in, and then spoon bent flat gouges, again useful for coming in here. So we take the tape off, and there's our button strip. Looks okay. So now we've done this, while we're down at the bottom end, we're going to do the shirt cuffs as well, might as well. These are simple relief techniques, here along the cuff at the bottom, and here and along the cuff there, removing the background down, letting these stiff bits appear. And to make them even more different, we can use a scraper to run over the surface and remove our facets. And this gives a sort of different finish. We can go over here and over the cuff again here. And so we're not sanding, but this gives it a slightly different appearance to the rest of the shirt. So that's an option if you like to.